How to fix WhatsApp out of date on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp out of date on Android phone. First open a Play Store here and then click update, and now just wait for it, and if that does not fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and then go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and click WhatsApp here, and then just enable all of those permissions here, and then go to storage, clear cache, and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.